Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Morning, Cos. Morning, Robert. Morning, Geo. Morning, everyone. Hope that everything is nice and clean on YouTube page. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Yeah, a lot of people panicked in this dump. Morning, Stefan. Morning. So a lot of people said, well, this is will go down, and was buy the rumor, sell the news. Indeed, buy the rumor, sell the news, because we had some events, and usually after some events the price will go down a little bit. But let's do an exercise. Let's go left. Every time the price touched 70k, look what happened. Yeah, just look what happened. Was bearish here, straight down, back up. Look at the volatility when we are touching 69. Yeah? What we had here is nothing compared with what happened here when we touched first time. Then the second time, little bit less volatility, but still damn volatile here. Just look at this candle on daily. Yeah, we started at 66, we closed at 71, and then we retrace all the way back at 66. Then back up, back down. So you get the idea. Yeah? Don't panic here. A lot of people waited for this moment from both sides. So let's just say like that. A lot of people waited for mass adoption. And seeing Donald Trump speaking so bullishly about Bitcoin, for some of them was just, well, okay, it's mainstream already, let's sell some. Yeah? Some people waited, okay, now we can really go into a bull market. We are stupid traders, at least I am a stupid trader, so I'll play level by level. You can see bottom of the range, W, breakout, middle of the range, pushing higher, short reload zone, okay, but for me to even try to short again, we still have this hedge. For me to try to short again, I need a clear EM here. And for the moment, all I have is a rejection from 78.6 and 70k area. Initial rejection, I don't have anything else. On the indicators, yeah, on the indicators we have potential bearish divergence here. This one is not confirmed yet. This one kind of is confirming today. Let's see. Still not confirmed for the moment. So if I'll see a clear EM in this area, okay, maybe I could think to short again. But for the moment, higher highs, higher lows. Like I mentioned, if we'll stay above 64 on daily candles, we are okay. Yeah, we can push higher. If we'll accept below 64, then okay, we have 60 and then 52 and things like that. But let's take it level by level. Yeah, if 64 holds, we are okay on the bullish case. If we'll accept below 64, then we can think about, okay, we are in the middle, we can go back up or we can go down here at 58, 60k. But here, I see just an ugly candle from yesterday. Don't panic. As I said even yesterday, buy the dip. We need dip. We need a dip to buy. We don't have to go and buy the top here. 71k or 70k. But here, if I could find on lower time frame a W, well, I'm definitely I'll trade. I'll not buy on spot, but I'll trade on the long side. Like I said yesterday, for me, shorting is not an option anymore. Yeah, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait for the dip, and I'll buy the dip, and I'll try to play only the long side. Why? It's just me. I don't want to try to short anymore. I could hedge my portfolio like I did here. If I'll see a clear EM, okay, I'll hedge spot. Yeah, I'll hedge my spot portfolio with a nice short, but nothing more than that. So on daily, we are still strong. We are in the short reload zone. Let's not be aggressive on the long side. We bought some here. We played nice setups. For the moment here, I don't have an EM to be short, and I don't have a clear set up for long. I'll go on lower time frame immediately and we'll see, maybe we can find something. Let's go on Ethereum. Well, this one is playing fib pong with us here. I was waiting for a retracement here and you can see never come and pushed back in the short. So we are playing fib pong. Long reload zone, short reload zone. But overall, the price action here is pretty strong in my opinion. Okay, we had the buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, okay, sell the news here. We touched 61.8 and now the market is pushing back up. Seeing Ethereum here in the short reload zone, okay, maybe we can think about a short. But in the same time, if you will see Ethereum accepting above this level, this is a big W and we can push a lot higher. We are not there yet. We should wait for that level. Here I'm just below short reload zone and I'm damn higher than long reload zone. Nothing I can do here on daily, maybe not even on 4-hour chart. Scalping, well, scalping is scalping. So here, let's see some indicators, nothing special. Bitcoin dominance. Well, I was hoping for an M here. You can see kind of a V top here. But we can still form a nice M. If I'll go on 4-hour chart, I posted yesterday, you can see the M. M on Bitcoin dominance. Unfortunately, everything was going down. That means Bitcoin dropped and altcoins dropped a little bit less for the moment. But if Bitcoin will stay put, will stay even here at 66, 67, if we'll stay at the same level in a small range, altcoins could recover. And we can see this one going even lower. I'm still waiting for that daily EM. That will be a good signal for us. For the moment, we have a 4-hour EM breaking down in an ugly environment when Bitcoin was going down already. So this is we need confluence to play Bitcoin dominance, to hunt long ideas on altcoins. Anyway, a lot of people waited and wanted dips on altcoins. Well, there you go. Don't sell, don't panic sell here. Just go and buy more. Respect your plan. I need to update this one at the end of the month, so this percentage will be even higher, but you can see. Last chance challenge, 46%. It's working. The lower it goes, the more we'll buy. Probably today I'll do the review and I'll add the orders at the end of each month. So pay attention tomorrow. Until the weekend, I'll definitely have everything set up. So if you are a general member, I suggest to take advantage of this one. Join premium and put this one in practice. And tell me after a couple of months or 1 year if it was profitable or not. The rest is up to you guys. Okay, let's go back. So Bitcoin dominance here. I could see the market reacting here a little bit. You can see some support here. Okay, bouncing back here, and that will be a retest of the 4-hour EM and will be the second part of a daily EM. Let's see if it will happen. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, you remember yesterday and we discussed this one. Wyckoff check, clean one of this W. W here and breakout. We had a retest. If you go on lower time frame, you can see breakout and retest. We tested again and we are pushing higher. Could form a bottom here on daily. We can could say that this is the bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, it's a bit too early for that. And I don't see bullish divergence. I don't see anything. It's just a dead cat bounce for the moment. Maybe we'll play some fib pong. So maybe we'll go all the way up here at 0052 to retest this initial EM. Who knows? For the moment we are playing fib pong. If I'll draw, let me show you something. Yeah. So we played in the short reload zone. Now let's take the high, let's take the low. And let's put a long reload zone. As usual. Well, You can see. Playing fib pong here. I'm not calling a bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, unfortunately. Not yet. DXY. Playing around between these three levels. I like it. You can see a W here, a head and shoulder kind of pattern. The inverse head and shoulder here. Well, it's pushing higher back in the middle of the entire range. 105.5, it's a good level to stop. Level by level, let's see. Okay. Morning, Robert. Morning, Tolga. Nice to see you, Tolga. Hope you are. I hope you are well. Okay, we talked about these ones. I'll go and see the total. If you remember, I said it's breaking out. Let's consolidate and make a double and push higher here. I could see something forming, but it's a bit too early. We can see something forming, is not ready yet. Total 2 similar. You can see I was drawing here an AB equals CD. Well, it's possible, it's still possible, and it's pointing out the short reload zone, the big one. So it's definitely a playable idea. And total 3, you can see it. If we'll accept above this level, then we can think about altcoin season. So we need the price action above this level. Will take some time, who knows? But we are in August, and honestly, I'm expecting a pump from altcoins this month. Who knows? Maybe will never come. I don't know. But I'm expecting something like this to happen. AB equals CD. Any moment in time, you can find out that someone, I don't know, kind of a black swan event. You saw United States just move the entire Bitcoin supply, Bitcoin they have on a different address. And they have some, kind of 1% from the entire Bitcoin supply. So you don't want them to dump it. Okay. That's the overview. Not too many things to say. I just wanted to point out, here, don't panic here. Yeah, we have some potential bearish divergence. On 4-hour chart, we already played some. You can see bearish divergence here. Still potential, the big ones. On 4-hour chart, you can see, almost. If we'll dump even more, then we'll confirm. But I don't know. It seems like it wants to stay here for the moment. Let me show you something. You can see if we'll take this low, okay, this low, this high, we bounce from Mountain Man for the moment. It's enough to form a W? Well, let's wait and see what will happen. I don't know if it's enough or not, but will show us some strength if we'll bounce from above 61.8 and form the W above that one, because we have the retest of 61.8, so we cannot say, well, we didn't test that level, and the W formed above that one. So it's ugly. It's strong, but it's ugly. I'll prefer Bitcoin to go deeper in the long reload zone and maybe then form a W. But it's possible to form it here. Okay, let's go on day trading part. By the way, guys, if you have any requests, please type in the chat. So Bitcoin on 15-minute chart, similar. You can see fib pong. Long reload zone here. Short reload zone, it's above. I think playing fib pong for a couple of days is not bad. Keep in mind we have big news this week, so not the best environment for us to trade. Yesterday I had a kind of bad day because I lost some Rs, but that's not a big deal. Some days are just like that. Nothing you can do. This drop, not that was a surprise, but was aggressive without respecting the TA too much. So I kind of try to hunt some ideas here and stop me out. That's a trader's life, nothing you can do. When I'm making profit, I'm happy. When I'm not making profit, well, next boss. I'll have to manage the risk, and the important idea is to be consistently profitable. So on the long run, we should be profitable. Okay, so Bitcoin here. Let's go on 1 hour because I don't see a trade here. Well, if we'll form a W here, well, I could see it in short reload zone. You can try to short here if we'll touch short reload zone, but with a clear setup. Clear setups, what that means? Well, that means either you play Mountain Man and Shark, either play only the Shark setup or a general setup here. So wait for the price to reach this level. An EM with bearish divergence will do a good setup. Here, it's too late to think short. Don't think short here. And it's a bit ugly to think long also. It's doable, but it's ugly. Why? Because it's just above the 61.8. So no setup for the moment. You can see here we have some bullish divergence on MACD. And I don't know, on OBV not yet. But you can see MACD is telling us clear bullish divergence confirmed already. We can see a W here, maybe. Not something I will trade. Ethereum on 1 hour. Well, a lot stronger. You can see a lot stronger than Bitcoin this time. Clear uptrend channel here. So every time we touch this one and you can see a W, I think it's a good idea to play the channel. Depending what Bitcoin will do, we can see the market pushing higher. Valid channel here. It's totally up to you to frame a trade if you want. If you can scalp here, if you cannot scalp on 1 hour, okay, go on a 5-minute chart, use Holy Grail for that, but it's doable. So I'm tempted to hunt long ideas on Ethereum here. Pretty strong compared with Bitcoin. Pixel, well, we wanted a W in the long reload zone. And now we have a W in the long reload zone. And if we'll do something like this, we have a W at 61.8. It's or above 61.8. It's good enough for us. Well, if you look at the higher time frame, maybe not, but here it's a lot of confluence from the higher time frame long reload zone, from the lower time frame, this one. I should consider this W. So you can see it's at the entry. Taking this one, it's not a bad idea. Let's think about a 2 to 1, okay? This is the 2.1. It's just pointing out back up here. If Bitcoin will hold this level and will not go lower, this one will pump. It's that simple. And you can see on lower time frame, you can see the bullish divergence. Let's see, 15-minute chart. I think we have some. Yeah, look here. So bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on RSI. Let's see OBV. Bullish divergence on OBV. I think. Yep. So everything on 15-minute chart has bullish divergence here. And 1 hour chart, you have a W in kind of a long reload zone. Here you have multiple Ws. If you want to take this one, take it. Don't close everything at 2 to 1. Trail at least 50%. But I could see some setups for me. And one of them is here. Let's go back on 1 hour. Doop, doop. Okay. Okay. Solana. Well, was strong and is still strong. If you can see a W here, you can think another round. For the moment, it's out from the channel and nothing we can do. I attempted to long here and I was stopped out. I'll wait patiently on 1 hour chart for something like this. You can see here, if we'll form something similar, well, I could take, let's say that this is the middle of a potential W, 184 with stop loss at 179, $5. Not bad. Not bad for a kind of a day trade, swing trade. It's up to you if you want to hunt. For the moment, I still think this is a valid uptrend channel. Some people took some profit at this level. That's for sure. Well, they waited just they front run $200. They took some profit off. That doesn't make it bearish. This is a clear uptrend, and in an uptrend you have some retracement. It's exactly what this one is for the moment. Well, if we'll accept and close below this level, yeah, above 178, then things change a little bit. Still bullish, but things change. So hunting a W here will not be a bad idea. Let's just put this one here to have it for tomorrow, and we can reassess then. Just a target of the new highs. You can see we have a 2-to-1, kind of. So not ready yet, but could be something nice. Joe on 1 hour. Well, we are long from yesterday or 2 days ago. If you wanted to take this one, you can see bot setup, 1 low, 2 lows. Well, we have 2 lows here. Watch out on this one, on Joe. Maybe you can front run a little bit if you're not already in. Wait for a W the other side of the trend line. You can see the trend line is tagged, is well respected. So when you'll see a W, it's playable. It's up to you. Dimension, maybe maybe we'll go a bit lower. I'm hoping. And then form a W. I could see forming here a W, but Aevo, you can see up, back down, front run 61.8. It's ugly from technical analysis perspective, but that means it's a bit stronger than we expect. And you can see same thing happening here. Up, back down in the long reload zone, and it doesn't want to go lower. Looking left, we have a strong support here. And if Bitcoin will behave nicely, this one will pump. You can go on daily and you'll see what I'm saying. This is the entry for daily chart. For a swing trade. Why? Well, we have consolidation, fake out, back up, breakout, and retest. This is the retest. This is the area where you want to hunt a long idea on Aevo. You'll do it? Well, it's up to you. Definitely, you can see I draw some levels there. I'm definitely interested to play setups on Aevo at that point, because I could have a damn good risk to reward there. Yeah? But that's me. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Ton. Well, W here. If Bitcoin hold the level, okay, we can see pushing higher. If not, we'll lose this level probably. I was hoping yesterday that Bitcoin will hold 69. Not to break out, but at least to hold, and then this one should do nice things. When Bitcoin dropped, you can see it's consolidating. That's why I said there are 2 ways to take this one. Wait for a breakout and retest, or take the breakout itself. We are in a range here. I think you can play the next W if you're not in already. Manta, we are long. Pyth in a bot, and you can see Pyth is pretty strong. The dump yesterday, we have some yams here, but didn't even touch the entry again. So it's kind of strong. Okay. I'm in this one and I'm happy with it. Nothing I can do here. I'll wait for this one to outperform, to even trail more than the bot target. Alt, you can see we are in the long reload zone, so we definitely have location here. And we had some bullish divergence at the last move down. A W in the long reload zone will convince me to get long. But we need that W on 4-hour chart. I don't think it's good enough for us to go on lower time frame and do something. No, stay on 4-hour chart, wait for that W. It's up to you if you take a, I don't know, a breakout, or you're waiting for the breakout and you're taking the retest. It's totally up to you. E-gold, well, let's wait and see what will happen here. Not ready yet, but I could see forming a nice bot setup. Target for this bot setup will be here. But I said it yesterday, wait for a setup. We don't have a setup. Yeah? If we'll accept about below 66, then we can think about long reload zone, and we can think, even now we can. Let's draw a long reload zone here. And you can see it. And look left, you have support, clear support in the long reload zone. So if this one will fail, wait for the next W in the long reload zone. If this one will W out here and push higher, well, you can play the bot setup. Patience, waiting for a setup, hunting a setup, either a bot setup, either a general setup. Guys, I'm speaking by myself. I don't see anything in the comments. Everything is clean. Hopefully. Fat. In the long reload zone again. I don't like this one, but if I'll see a W, if I'll see a W here in the long reload zone on 4-hour chart, a clear one, maybe I'm tempted to do something. For the moment, no. Thank you, Bucur. Thank you, Tolga. ING. Well, you can see I tried here something. Nothing good. Still valid trend line, and with a valid trend line you have an uptrend here, well respected trend line. I'm waiting for the next W. I think this one, if everything is clean, this one could outperform. I'm in this bot already, but I could play another setup if will be the case. Huh? Well, Bukur, I hope not only ears and eyes also. Okay. Well, Tolga, I don't know about that. I'm just a stupid trader. Nothing special about me. I respect the risk management. I'm playing my setups. But I'm just a trader like everyone else. I learn my stuff. Okay, I know how to trade, but it's not a big difference. If I stop respecting my plan and my risk management, I'm worse than you guys. Well, thank you, Hania. Okay, so it's valid what we have here. This is a clear uptrend channel. It's strange. I could see two channels here, but this one is well respected. Let's hope that will form a W and we can push higher. Honestly, I think this one is stronger than the rest, and this one should outperform. We just need Bitcoin to stay the fuck stable and don't break down to 64 or below 64. Especially below 64. That will break all the setups. But we are traders. We are respecting the risk management. We are considering that Bitcoin could go below 64, could go below 60. And we are putting a limited risk. Yeah? We have total risk. We have stop losses for each and every setup. That's why we are traders here. I don't want to hear stupid things like no stop loss. If you don't have a stop loss, just remember next time when you have a trade without stop loss, the risk is your entire account. It's that simple. Guys, learn how to trade. Now is the time to learn. Don't wait for the top of the market and then to come here and say, well, I want to join Kappa 2. I want to join Kappa 1. Do it now. That will help you. I will not ask Tolga, okay, Tolga, join Kappa 1. No, Tolga knows his shit for the Kappa 1. Tolga, if he wants to be a day trader, should join Kappa 2. But some people here still need Kappa 1. That's the basic stuff you need to learn. You need to learn how to plan. You need to learn what a setup is. You need to learn divergence and how we play the divergence and everything. Will take 3 months to teach you technicals, and then 1 month to stay behind your back and watch your framing setups. But at the end, you will be able to swing trade if you put the time and effort. I'm not saying you'll be the best trader after 4 months, but you'll know what to do. And then you have another 8 months to stay on premium with us, and I'll help you step by step until you'll become profitable. After 1 year, it's up to you if you want to still be a member. But if you put the time and effort, you'll have a new skill. And it's damn important to have a new skill. Nobody could take your skill after that. After you have it, it's yours. Someone could leave you in the middle of the road without no money. You can come back, you can make $100, $200, $500 and start again. Yeah, you have the skill. It's most important. Money could come, money could go, but after you got the skill, it's yours. And go and search the entire internet and tell me where the fuck you can find someone to teach you how to trade with $1,000. Just go and search. And if you find, tell me. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's half an hour from this live stream. We still have to do some things. Here I said I'm waiting for the next W maybe to add of this trade on this trade. Here nothing. We are doubling out here. That's good. Calendar. Today we have in 2 hours some news on Eurozone. Pretty important. You can see high impact. And we have job openings in the New York session. In the middle of the New York session. Yeah? And our live stream. So that's an important news. We'll see what will happen then. Okay. That's the news for today. Careful, tomorrow maybe you want to take a break. Yeah, you can see Fed interest decision, Fed conference. Well, maybe tomorrow you want to touch some grass. Maybe you want to review your plan. Maybe do something else. Okay. Last chance challenge. We talked about Twitter. Well, Twitter is Twitter. Nothing else to talk about. I'll go on VIP with Stefan to scalp. If you want to join VIP, well, I think we still have 2 places. Yeah, the registration will close in a couple of days. You saw the profit made by Stefan, mostly by Stefan. He's journaling everything. 16R, I think, is more than good. You can, I don't know, you can outperform even Stefan, take his trades but risk more. He's risking 0.5 on some scalps and you can risk 1%. But please don't exceed 1%. I know some of you are risking 1 or 2%, but I think 1% it's the sweet spot. Yeah. If you have a bigger risk appetite, you can do that. Overall, we are profitable. August could be a good month. It's up to you if you join us or not. It's still limited 20 people. We still have 2 places free. Join or don't join, it's up to you. Okay, let's not lose time. Let's call close the live stream here. Hear you in the New York session. Keep in mind, today it's free for everyone. So everyone has access on the New York session. In half an hour, Stefan will start the live stream, day trading with Stefan. So join that live stream. We'll post links on Discord and Twitter. So maybe you can learn something from Stefan in the next live stream. See you guys.